my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Nanu, and in today's video we're gonna be talking about this hair. It's a crochet, so we're gonna talking about that. I feel like doing a little bit of review for you guys since I've had it for about a month or so, and to tell you how's the hair, the quality and stuff. So yeah, if you guys are interested in saying that, please just keep on watching. So yeah guys, this is the crochet that I installed about a month ago, and I was about to take it down after I filmed this video. This look you're seeing, I just finished filmed it, and I'm like, why not let me do a little bit of review for you guys. So yeah, I don't know if you watched my previous video, the crochet install. That's the hair that I use, is the Motown Tress, okay, sprinkle curl, 7 inches. That's the one that I used, and I use number 1 and the color 1 and 27. That's the 27, and yeah, that's the number 1. This here, I mean, it's not good quality to me, because it's like very hard. It's not soft at all. Yeah, after a while it's tangle a lot, but for this hairstyle I think it's great. But I would not consider to use it in any like longer length, because it's gonna get tangled real quick, and like I said, it's not soft at all. And I didn't do nothing to it. I mean, it's looked pretty good, but like I said, I've had it for about a month, and I think it's time for me to take it down. That's my invisible part, and that's the front, okay. And so yeah, I mean, it's like it grabbed to itself. That's why I say it's perfect if you're trying to do like a short style, like tapered cut or whatever. But for longer length, I will not consider this hair. I mean, there's a lot of better hair, like more good quality that you can find. But so yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you haven't watched my crochet hair when I did the install, I'll link it down below. If you guys are interested, you guys can watch it. But yeah, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any comments, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye loves, I'll see you in the next one.